A traditional tzatziki starts by taking 1 pound of cucumbers, slicing them in half lengthwise, and then taking a spoon to remove all of the seeds. Then, either thinly slice it or dice the cucumber by crushing it with the heel of your hand, cutting it lengthwise into long batons, and then finally crosswise into small cubes. However you cut them, cover the pieces in 3/4 teaspoon of salt, stirring well to coat them all evenly. Then set aside for 10 to 15 minutes while the salt draws water out of the cucumbers. In the meantime, finally chop up a half cup of dill, grate or mince 2 or 3 garlic cloves depending on their size, juice 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and measure out 2 tablespoons of olive oil, preferably a brand that's not too peppery. Once that is done and your cucumbers have sat for that 10 to 15 minutes, transfer them to a towel to wring out any excess moisture, being mindful not to crush the cucumbers in the process. Then, simply place 2 cups of Greek yogurt in a bowl and combine all of the ingredients you previously measured out. That's it, you've got tzatziki that'll stay good in your fridge for at least a week and probably even longer. Want something a little bit bolder? Grate a 1-inch piece of ginger, about this big, and fold that into your sauce along with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. Feeling even friskier than that and want to add a nice splash of color to a dish? Then we can modify the recipe to make tzatziki's cousin, Raita. In a blender, combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, half of a de-seeded Serrano or jalapeno pepper, a half cup of mint, 1 cup cilantro, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, along with 1 or 2 ice cubes, and blend until fully incorporated. Then, fold this mixture into another 1 cup of Greek yogurt, along with 1 pound of cucumbers and some salt or extra lime juice to taste. These sauces go super well with flatbreads like pita and naan and roti, so I'm gonna link a video that has my recipe for a flatbread in the description below. Anyway, that's gonna do it for me. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it or subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out and I would really appreciate it. Later, nerds.
Crash Course Kitchen. Crash Course Kitchen. It's hard to say.